like Nusi?
Mi siete Nusi nu.
Okay. Mi siete Nusi nu. Okay? I don't like Nusi. Yeah.
Kasawa.
Kawaku? Why?
You get loud.
Then you say, mi siete nu. Okay? Mi siete Nusi nu. Kawaku. Kawaku.
Why?
Why?
Beat your nigga loud.
Then you answer, mi siete nu. Mi siete nu. Period.
Tino.
Okay. You notice the difference between likes and dislikes orthographically?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The difference is, you notice here, he, right? There is an S or N here. He. Over here we don't have it.
Me.
Okay? Me. It's not ming. It's mi sienti. But you still put the N over here towards the end while you omit it over here. Anyway, Sarita, would you like to come and write something here?
Yeah. Come on, Sarita. Come on up.
Alright, come on. I'm gonna erase this bottom portion. Everybody have it?
You guys took notes already? Okay.
Good.
Good job. Come on, Sarita.
Come on over here. I want you to write the word halal. Okay?
You need your notes? You need your notes? Okay. Pass the notes for Sarita.
Now, I'll give you an easy one.
Right here. The notes for Sarita. So you could write hello.
Write the word halal here. Everybody pay attention, please. Ahorita we're gonna write halal.
Do you have it? You have it? Okay, great.
Wow. You have good handwriting. That's nice. Thank you. Alright.
Muy bien.
You know, I can't believe it. She have a lot of notes. Okay. Hisiante is likes. I like. Right? Halal is this one here. The one you have before that. That's halal. Alright? Chair. Okay. Nisia?
Yeah?
I want you to come and write city. Get it no.
Come on up. We'll help you. Come on up.
Okay. Right? I'll give you a different one. Come on. You ready, Osman? You're gonna be next. You see it, T?
He knows it. She knows it.
Hey, Guinea.
Hey, Guinea.
Just keep writing.
Down on my
Hey,
nose.
Guinea. Hey, Guinea. A is E-I. A. G-I. N-I. A guinea. I. N-I. Nu.
Yeah.
Bravo.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Translate it, please. Translate it here.
Waiting.
A guinea means food.
This is the alien, you know. Yeah. Very good.
Okay. He said the A guinea no. I like food.
I have a question. Would it be okay to say you can't take agony without the no?
No, because he said the A guinea is not complete. You're just saying food is likable.
Oh.
To whom? Right?
Okay.
So you have to say no. Just like in English.
Yeah.
You know, if you put like food, food, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good question though. Yeah. Okay, any other question?
Question. What would be the difference between agony, which is food? How would you mention the verb to eat?
To eat? Ega.
Ega.
Can I erase this?
Yes. Good question, man. Ega, agony. Food to eat. Okay.
Okay. Ega is to eat. Right? Now would you like, we have some conjugation for today. So maybe we can go into it. How will you say, I eat?
Nega. Nega. Nega.
No.
Nega.
Nega is, I'm going to eat.
I eat.
Negina. 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 Negatina.
I will eat. Nega. But that was a good one because you just put the N here, right?
He said it right now.
Borrowed it from here.
He said it.
Which is good. Okay.
Negatina. Negatina.
Egatina.
No.
Negative.
Because this is an irregular verb.
You tricked me
Yeah,
there.
yeah. So it doesn't follow the same word.
Oh.
You know? You have to use this other one here. Ho.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Ho. Then when you're using it in the present tense, you have to use ho. I eat will be? No. Okay. It's gonna be ho, and then what do you add?
Hoti.
Hotino.
Hotina.
Correct. Got it.
Oh my God.
Got it. What does hotina mean?
I eat.
I eat. Right.
Regular.
Ereba.
Hotina.
Ereba.
Yeah. Hotina ereba. Correct, Dr. Gill. Dr. Gill belongs in the dance now. He doesn't want to move over. And then we're missing a Peggy. Okay, Hotina. And you eat? Hotibu.
Yeah. Oh,
Correct.
Hotibu, yeah.
Hotibu. You eat, right?
Yeah, take notes.
Hotibu, what? Hotibu ereba.
Alam ko.
So you said I ate. Like past tense.
Hotina. Yeah. When you're doing conjugation, sometimes the present meets the past. Okay?
Wow.
Only in Garifuna.